Next, we're going to cover how to incorporate corporate branding and information into a quote template. To create a quote, you need to include your logo, company information, and terms and conditions. Prior to viewing a PDF version of your quote, this setup must be completed. So to do this, we are going to go to Settings, Account Setup, Platform Settings, and then we are going to click on the Quote Editor tab. So pieces that we want to fill out, first we want to upload a logo. The ratio does need to be a 5:1 ratio, so if it's not, you'll want to adjust that logo in an image editor. A recommended pixel size would be 1125 pixel width by 225 pixel height. Future guidance on converting an existing logo to this ratio will be available in a future instructional video. Then we want to add company information, which could be the name of the company, address, maybe a phone number. And then lastly, we'll want to add terms and conditions. This is going to display on the last page of your quote. When you're done, you'll just want to hit save.